Hey guys, welcome back to Social Need. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Bank of the West online banking account. If you already have registered for Bank of the West online banking account, then now you can log in using your login credentials. With the login, you can view and manage your checkings, savings, credit card, loan and investment accounts online. The process is pretty simple and secure. After the completion of your registration process, you will have received a paperless statement and email notification for eligible accounts, so you can change your delivery preferences at any time. So in order to log into your account, all you have to do is watch this video till the end and you will be able to log into your account in no time. So let's get started. First, go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search bar, search for online.bankofthewest.com. And once you land onto an interface like this, in order to log into your account, just go and tap onto the sign in option here. Now you'll be directed to the login page of Bank of the West online banking account. Now before you get started, there are a few things that you need to remember. You can only log into your account if you have registered for it at the first place. So if you haven't registered for your account, you can just go and tap onto the sign up for online account access and register for your account. Once you are done registering your account, you will be provided with a username and a password that you can log in with. So go to the username text field and type in the username associated to your banking account. Then on the password field, enter your password that you have set while registering for your account. Once done, go and tap onto the sign in option and you'll have successfully logged into your Bank of the West online banking account. If you have forgotten your username, then you can just go and tap onto forget your username option, then reset your username. And similarly, if you have forgotten your password, then you can just go and tap onto forget your password option in order to reset it. And if you are using a safe device or you want this site to remember your username, then just go and tap onto the save username box. And with all this information, I think you will be able to log into your Bank of the West online banking account in no time. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.